Yogurt may seem like an unusual base for a marinade, but it works beautifully for this Mediterranean grilled chicken breast. The yogurt cooks away during grilling, leaving its acidic tang and the herbs still clinging to the meat. While this is a perfect marinade for chicken, try it with lamb chops, pork, or even salmon. Using a meat pounder or a rolling pin, pound each chicken breast between 2 sheets of plastic wrap until 3/4 of an inch thick. This secret allows them to cook more evenly without drying out. Season both sides of the chicken breasts with freshly ground salt and pepper. Mix a cup of yogurt and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning in a dish. Check out our recipe to make your own Italian seasoning blend. Add the chicken and turn to coat. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 to 4 hours. Preheat your grill and lightly oil. Remove the chicken from the marinade, shaking off the excess but still leaving some clinging. Grill with the lid closed for 5 minutes. Turn the chicken and continue grilling until it feels firm when pressed in the center, about 6 minutes more. Place on a plate and let cool for 3 to 5 minutes. Cut each breast on the diagonal and enjoy with salad, rice, or a side of roast veggies. Follow us for more delicious recipes featuring herbs and spices.